Ever wondered why the tiny island nation of Malta, nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean, is famed for its unique fusion of cultures and cuisines? Let's embark on a journey that will tantalize your taste buds, captivate your senses, and leave you yearning for more. Our journey commences in Valletta, Malta's capital. This city, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a living testament to the island's rich history. Every corner whispers tales of knights, sieges, and grandeur of bygone eras. As you wander through the narrow, labyrinthine streets, you'll encounter Baroque architecture, grand palaces, and ornate churches that speak volumes about the island's Roman Catholic roots. But it's not just about the past. Valletta thrives in the present too, boasting a vibrant nightlife scene. Bars and clubs dot the cityscape, their music echoing through the night, inviting you to dance till dawn. And if you're a fan of live music, the yearly Valletta Jazz Festival is a must-attend event, attracting jazz enthusiasts from around the globe. Next, we venture to the quaint fishing village of Marsaxlokk, famous for its vibrant, colorfully painted boats known as ludzu. Here, the air is filled with the scent of the sea and fresh fish, offering a glimpse into the island's seafaring traditions. In Marsaxlokk, it's a ritual to indulge in a seafood feast with dishes like lampuki pie, a traditional fish pie that's a culinary delight. As we move further inland, we reach Mdina, the silent city. Walking through its narrow, winding streets feels like stepping back in time. Here, the island's Arab influence is unmistakable, evident in the architecture and the way of life. Then it's on to the island of Gozo, a place where time seems to stand still. Home to the mythical Calypso's cave mentioned in Homer's Odyssey, Gozo offers breathtaking landscapes and tranquil beaches. It's also here that you'll find the Gantia temples, one of the world's oldest freestanding structures, predating even the pyramids of Egypt. No journey through Malta would be complete without exploring its culinary scene. The Maltese cuisine, a blend of Sicilian, Middle Eastern, and British influences, offers a gastronomic adventure like no other. From pastizi, flaky pastries filled with ricotta or peas, to fencata, a rabbit stew that's the national dish, the flavors of Malta are sure to delight. As we conclude our journey, we've traversed through a land that's a melting pot of cultures, a testament to the island's diverse historical influences. From the vibrant city of Valletta to the serene island of Gozo, from the quaint fishing village of Marsaxlokk to the silent city of Mdina, each place has its unique charm. We've tasted the delights of Maltese cuisine and danced to the beats of its nightlife. This is Malta, an island that may be small in size but is grand in its offerings, a place that once visited is never forgotten.